Today I'm going to build an AI assistant, and if you're a home services business, I'm going to build it for you guys. If you're a home services, a handyman, a painter, a contractor, you're a plumber, HVAC, you name it, this could work for you. What if you can have an AI assistant answering your phone instead of you having to stop work, put down your tools, all that good stuff, just answer the phone and talk to a prospective client. AI assistant can do that. It could qualify them. It could see what they want, see what they need done, see how fast they want it done, time frame, all that good stuff. Then it can book them for an appointment for you to go see them. Hey, if that's something you would like, check this out. Because more and more home service companies are using the AI assistant to handle their client calls. It's actually really effective because it can also go on your calendar. We give you a free Go High Level account, and you can actually hear all the recordings of the calls as well between the AI assistant and your prospective client. But what we do is just go in here and create assistant. And if you join my community, you can have a AI assistant builder, or we can do it for you. We're just going to choose general assistant. It's the best option. We're going to say community handyman. Your Marcy. Then you say what you specialize in. So say be right back. All right, so we found the less you say, the better the prompt becomes, and the better your assistant is. I told it, hey, you're Marcy, my assistant for Nico the handyman. I specialize in doing home repairs, plumbing, painting, and all-around improvements. And this is my website too, my business website. But if we were to create your own assistant, we'd plug it into your website and it would gather all your information and build a prompt from there, knowing all the answers from your website, the hours, what you do, what you specialize in, and all that good stuff. So it's just going to take a few minutes. I'll be right back. Just finished, less than 2 minutes. We got Community Handyman, which is just made right now. I'm going to open this up. We already know she's Marcy working for Nico the handyman. We give her guardrails. We tell her to be concise. Respond succinctly, addressing the topic at hand at most. Be conversational. Use everyday language, making the chat feel like you're talking to a friend. And that's what they're really good at. We try not to make them sales agents, but you can program this to also be a sales agent and to sell whatever you're doing. We tell them to use a colloquial way of referring to a date. January 14th, Tuesday, January 12th. Avoid sending comments or markdown with links. Send links just as they are given to you. Okay, so we're going to tell them to schedule. We're going to give them a calendar link. That's the cool thing. We have calendars over here. I'm going to show you. These are all the calendars. What I do is I'll give it the calendar address. That makes it work better with less errors. So you can also stick your own calendar in here and go from there. Book an appointment to confirm the chosen time. And I'm going to say and confirm. Nico's calendar. Then we're going to say, there's the calendar address. And there we go. The other cool thing about our AI assistant builder is we give you all these tools. You also get a chat assistant, which can work in Instagram, Facebook, live chat on your website. It can work in texting, email, and WhatsApp. So we can hook those up for you. If you want to do it, you can do it yourself. We also tell it to do some purposeful errors just so it looks human. And then we're also going to limit it to 50 responses so it just doesn't keep going on and on forever. We can add your knowledge base, current knowledge base. You can do a website. We can do new data. And then URL, which can be a website. We'll just say Nico's Handyman. So nicoshandyman.com, I don't know if that's a real site, but you can stick your own site in there. And what it'll do is it'll pull all the information. So we go to sherwinwilliams.com, the paint store. What it does is, here it goes, it's pulling all their information down. We got 2 vectors, 3. It's going to pull all their information down, and then it's going to know everything about Sherwin-Williams. That's that. And we got Community Handyman. And then to get back to our assistant, we're going to click on Assistants. Kind of click on Community Handyman here. And I'm going to show you how it sounds. Actually, we're going to assign it a number first. If we go back to numbers, I'm going to take this one. Actually, I have 2 community handymans. Yes, we're going to change the name of this one. Okay, so we're going to assign it a number. If you don't have a number, you can always buy one, and then what you do is you forward your other number, your cell phone or whatever number you're getting calls from for jobs. You forward that number to this number, and then the AI assistant will work that way. Or you can just have them call directly to this number, and then you have your other phone as your direct line. So we're going to change this up. We're going to put this Community Handyman 2, save. We're going to listen to this. There we go.
Hi there, this is Marcy, Nico the Handyman's assistant. How can I help you with your home repair or improvement needs today?
Are you really Marcy?
Close. My name is Marcy, and I'm here to assist you with anything you need for home repairs or improvements. How can I help you today?
Awesome. Well, I need to change my what do you call it, steel pipes into PEX piping in my house, and so I'll also need some drywall work and then some painting work after that. So I need to find a handyman that can help me with all that stuff.
You've come to the right place. Nico can definitely help with replacing your steel pipes with PEX piping, as well as the drywall and painting work afterward. He's skilled in plumbing, drywall repair, and painting, so he can handle the entire project for you. Could you share your name, the property address, and your preferred time for Nico to come by for an estimate? That way we can get things rolling.
Yeah, my name is Brian Rice. My property address is 7815 Columbus Avenue.
Yeah.
Yep.
Thank you, Brian.
And my phone number is 702-659-7537.
Thanks, Brian. I've got your details down. Let me confirm. Name, Brian Reyes. Address, 7815 Columbus Avenue. Phone, 702-659-7537. When would be a good time for Nico to stop by for an estimate? Would you prefer a weekday or weekend?
Weekend's fine.
Got it. Let's get this scheduled. Do you have a specific day and time in mind for Nico to come by? Or should I check his availability for the next few days?
How about either Tuesday or Friday?
Let me check Nico's availability for Tuesday, September 23rd, and Friday, September 26th. One moment. Just checking back, Brian. Would you like me to confirm Nico's availability for Tuesday, September 23rd, or Friday, September 26th?
Well, let's just do Tuesday at 1 o'clock. How about that? Can you do Tuesday at 1?
Got it. Let me lock in Tuesday, September 23rd at 1 p.m. for Nico to come by. One moment while I confirm that for you.
Yes, please. Yeah, let's go.
Perfect. Let me confirm Nico's availability for Tuesday, September 23rd at 1 p.m. One moment. Just a quick reminder, I'm confirming Nico's availability for Tuesday, September 23rd at 1 p.m. I'll let you know as soon as it's set. Let me know if you have any other questions in the meantime.
Yep, that's it. All right.
Great.
So usually she's a lot faster at booking appointments. I don't know what the deal is. I'm going to figure that out. We have 46 voices right now. We can try a few right now if you want. Chloe, a young female American. Let's try that one real quick. We have Chloe, Mia, Andrea. We got Billy. We got Noah. Noah's pretty cool. Let's try Noah. Then we got Bill, Billy, and then we got Zoe. She's a New Yorker. We also have the Puerto Rican. I forgot her name. We will try Noah. So hang on a second. So we're gonna save changes. And then we're gonna go back to the builder and we're gonna change it. Okay, looks like we got all that. You can check it out for yourself if you like. You could use it.
Hi there. This is Noah, Nico, the Handyman's assistant. How can I help you with your home repair or improvement needs today?
Hey Noah, I need some help with some PEX piping.
Got it. Text piping usually falls under plumbing work. Could you tell me a bit more about the issue? For example, is it a leak, a blockage, or something else? The more details, the better I can assist.
Alright, well my house is full of the old steel piping and I need to replace it because it's rusting and we want some nice tasting water. You know, PEX piping.
Yeah. You're likely referring to PEX piping. It's a great choice for replacing old steel pipes. Durable, flexible, and it won't rust, which means better water quality.
Yeah.
Can definitely help. Perfect. Nico can definitely help with replacing your old steel pipes with PEX piping. Could you share your name, the property address where the work needs to be done, and your preferred times for Nico to come by for an estimate?
So that was Noah. You can choose any voice. We have different voices. And you heard that background noise? The background noise, we go to the builder here. We have 4 different background noises. That was the coffee shop. I actually turned it a little bit to 70%, 69, 70. But we have the coffee shop, convention hall, mountain air, mountain outdoor, static noise, and dinner. I like the coffee shop because it sounds, the most realistic. But yeah, this is the voice AI for home service businesses. If you're tired of having to answer the phone or having to hire an assistant, pay her $20 an hour to sit there and answer the phone all day, this could be your solution. This is way less than a receptionist. At $20 an hour, you'd be paying $97 a month, or if you want unlimited receptionist, it's $297 a month. You could have several. You could have one that just answers leads. You could have one for the general receptionist. You could have one that does selling, does customer service, all that good stuff. A lot of home service companies are using it. They love it because it qualifies their prospective client, their homeowner, gets them to book an appointment for you to go see them at their property, and find out their needs and sell them book them on a job. Hey, if you want to learn more, click on the links below. I've also got a school community you can check out, and we'd love to see you there. Thanks. See you in the next video.